Hi, I'm Sam, an HR business partner for our marketing and IT teams. I have two colleagues that support other business units.
Our HR team uses Wrike for different tasks and projects, including recruitment and employee onboarding.
Standard Wrike work items don't suit our needs, so we are meeting as a group to decide what custom item types would work well for us. By using custom item types, we can create and apply items that match our unique processes and workflows. I'm thrilled! As a team, we have an employee management space where we house employee records, performance evaluations, new employee onboarding projects, and more. As a space admin, I can configure and manage all our custom item types in one place. To support the team's daily activities, I can add as many task or project-based types as I need. During the hiring process, our recruiters use candidate profile cards to provide an overview of candidates' qualifications, skills, and experience. I'll create the custom type for a candidate profile card now. I choose a task type and give it a name. Here, I update the icon and add a short description. To make it easier for recruiters to access this item when creating a new task in the space, I toggle the button here. It is important to specify the workflow to ensure a consistent recruitment process for every candidate card. Custom item types don't contain any pre-filled content, assignees, or dates, and act as frameworks for specific work using your terminology. I adjust the layout of my item type, hiding the fields we don't need from the view, and creating specific custom fields that align with team needs. Tip: you can easily reorder fields by drag and drop and edit your custom item types anytime, so don't worry about making changes later. Now that the item is ready, I customize the item creation menu and remove unused item types from it. When users create a new work item within the space, they will only see the relevant item types in the list. Let's see it in action. Zoe is a recruiter on our team. There is a new IT department candidate, and she needs to create a card for them. In the employee management space, she adds a new item. From the creation menu, she selects the candidate profile and names it. With the user-friendly interface of custom types, she easily completes the necessary fields and changes the status. To learn how to create automation rules for custom item types and set request forms to create work from custom types, watch these video tutorials. Enhance your team's efficiency and productivity with custom item types tailored to your unique needs.